Hey there. Today we are going to learn about relay module as we can see on the screen. We will make it very easy and clear so that we will understand it in a easy manner. So let us start with our explanation video. As we can see on the screen, we have a relay module here. And there are, too many components on that, and it is something different from what we learned till now. So now, this component is actually, work as a switch. So the switch which you have seen in the homes and everywhere around, it needs some, manual push to switch it on and off. But relay will work on signals. So the signals which you send from Arduino or any other microcontroller which you are using will turn it on and turn it off accordingly. So now, why do we use relay? Because Arduino or will be working on very low current, that is 5 volts max to max. But the components which we use like bulbs and the fans, the motor and all will work on the higher current, like it can be as high as 220 volts and low as 10 volts. So this relay will work as a bridge for that current fluctuation. So that is how this will be working. So let us start with the components what we have on this. So starting with these three screws here, all are different. Like now, let us start with COM. So COM means a common port where we will attach the common wire of the bulb or any component which we are using. For in this video, we will take bulb as example so that it will be easy for us to understand. So now the main common wire of the bulb will be connected to the center one, the COM screw, and we have NO and NC. What is NO and NC? NO means uh, normally open. So in the circuit, remember this one. So in the circuit, if we say the circuit is open, then that means that is in off condition. If we say the circuit is closed, then that means the circuit is in on condition. So this is how things will be working in a circuit. Okay, so coming back to NO, so now this is normally open, which means it is open by default. That means it is switched off by default, but when the current is passed in the circuit or when this relay module will get the power, this NO will turn on. Okay, so that is how this will be working. Now the same way NC means normally closed. As I told just now that if something is normally closed, that means the circuit is in on state, that is on condition. So when the electricity will be passed through this one, the relay module, when the relay module gets on, this switch here, the NC will turn off. So that is how this will be working. So this is normally on by default and normally closed by default, that is normally off and normally on. But when you will pass the electricity, it will work based on your signals. So now coming back to the big box here, which is black color box, this is where all the things are done. This is where the it manages the current, and it will tell these tools get on or off based on your signal. But from where do you get the signal? You get the signal from the Arduino. The Arduino's the Arduino's this thing The input pin or the data pin will be connected to the IN here. So IN means this is where the controlled signal from Arduino will come, and it will give the same signal to the relay, and the components will work accordingly. Now, what is GND and VCC? As we have learnt in the past videos also, GND means it will take away the negative current from the circuit, and VCC means this is a power input. That means the power, obviously the current will be coming through the VCC, and it will come out from GND, that is ground pin, and it is IN will give the all the datas. And these parts here are resistors and capacitors, which will work as a traffic signal for the circuit, like it will manage the traffic. And this is a power pin, and this is a pin that which says which gets on when the relay is working. And this LED, the small light here, will turn on when the relay is getting some power. Okay, so now this all the things here, combining all this board here completely, is a single channel relay. What is channel? Channel means the number of components, the number of bulbs you're using. So now with this we can use only one bulb, so that is one channel. If you want to use two bulbs, we can make it two channel and three channels, so on, and we have four channel also. So how does it look like? So this is a four channel relay module. So now everything is same in this. There is no difference at all. But the thing is, why do we use four channel relay, or why do we use multiple channel relay module? So we use that when we are using many components, one or more than one bulbs, and we want it to be used simultaneously. So if you say turn on bulb, then all the four bulbs to be turned on. That is where we'll be using this. So now let us understand easily. Now here we have K1, K2, K3 and K4. So K1 and K2 and K3 and K4 is nothing but bulb 1, bulb 2, bulb 3 and bulb 4, or any component which you are attaching it. It is not that you have to attach the same components, like all the four should be only bulbs. It is not that. You can use fans, you can use lights, and you can use anything and everything, and all the things will be connected to one point. Here, if you want to make it in a different conditions, you can make it. So here, as we know that VCC and GND is common, because power input and power output will be common for all the relays. But we have IN1, IN2, IN3, IN4. Why IN1 means one relay and two relay and three relay and four relay. So all the if you want, you can give them a parallel commands, or you can give them a series command. You can make it work all together, or you can give some different commands. So that is how relay modules will be working. So this is single module relay, single channel relay, and this one is four channel relay. So in this video today, we learned how the relay works and what exactly is relay. So now, in conclusion, we can say that relay is an automatic switch, and single relay will control one device, and four channel relay will control four device. As many as channel, as many as device. That is simple. So that's it. Now you can control the real world device using the small electronic. So that's it for today. See you in the next video, Future Robot Builder.